Interventions. This is Mavilika Chatterjee and today I am back with yet another video. Today we are going to try Indians try Swiss snacks. तो आज हम लोग दोनों me and my hubby are both going to try Swiss snacks. जो हम लोग कुछ स्नैक्स यहाँ पे हमारे साथ ले आए हैं खरीद के और आज हम उसे ट्राई करने वाले हैं और देखने वाले हैं कि किस तरीके से स्विस स्नैक्स जो है हमारे इंडियन स्नैक्स से डिफरेंट है. यू आर एक्साइटेड टू ट्राई इट? आई एम एक्साइटेड टू. फर्स्ट अब जो हम ट्राई करने वाले हैं वो है चिप्स. तो ये सार क्रीम एंड अनियन फ्लेवर का है जो बहुत एक कॉमन फ्लेवर है. हर जगह में एक ही मिलता है और हम लोग भी सेफ बाय के लिए व्हेन वी बाय दिस फ्लेवर.
That's because I like it.
प्रिंगल्स की तरह ही इसकी पैकेजिंग है.
भाई मीग्रो का है.
मीग्रोस ये मीग्रोस का है.
Yeah, this is how it looks.
Ta-da!
Perfect way to snack it up.
अच्छा है.
Crisp है.
क्रिस्पी है. ऑयल बहुत कम है.
Yeah.
इट्स गुड. जैसे प्रिंगल्स की क्वालिटी की चिप्स होती है इट्स लाइक दैट ओनली एंड ऑफ कोर्स द फ्लेवर इज sour cream and onion. It has to be that subtle flavor of cream and onion.
Yes.
What is it?
The mini assortment.
Okay, so
you have,
ये
let's
कुछ
say,
तरीके
a
के
congregation
biscuits है क्या?
of different, biscuits, different size, shape, flavor, dimension.
Packaging,
Amazing
wow.
packaging, gold packaging. Very.
Like a gold bar है ना, gold bar की तरह दिख.
This makes my evening.
ये तो बड़े अच्छे दिख रहे हैं यार. See, स्विट्जरलैंड हम सब जानते हैं is very famous for its
It's a
chocolates.
hub for chocolate.
Yeah. Which one? कौन सा? See, अच्छे से यार काफी different type के assortments है. Which one
Yeah.
you want to try?
I tried with this one, the extreme chocolatey one.
Try this one.
OMG! Wow.
बहुत अच्छा है.
This is a 9 out of 10 for sure.
You know, ये बिस्किट टाइप्स नहीं है.
Yeah.
This is very thin. बिस्किट्स थोड़े थिक को होते हैं. You want one more?
Yeah, one more.
No.
I want to try that one. No.
Look, चॉकलेट पसंद होने से यही होता है, खोला और बस.
ये वाला खा रहा हूँ मैं.
It tastes very nice. What's the name? Creodar.
Amazing.
Creodar.
Yeah.
However it's pronounced. I'm sorry अगर मैंने गलत pronunciation किया तो. But इसमें
This is mine
hazelnut
also.
flavor है and we all know chocolate and hazelnut goes hand in hand. तो next जो हम try करने वाले हैं Beverly. Yeah. ये जो चीज़ है इसके बारे में मैं थोड़ा आप लोगों को बताना चाहूँगी. You know, ये जो चीज़ है ये लोग जब ट्रैकिंग में जाते हैं often they carry this because they call it as the powerhouse of energy. So whenever they have it, usually जो लोग ट्रैकिंग में जाते हैं अगर instant energy boost चाहिए so they have a bite of this Beverly and it's a very famous bakery item I shall say and it comes from the Appenzell region. तो Appenzell region I hope आप लोगों ने देखी होगी. अगर देखी नहीं है I'll put it up in the description box and I'll put down in the links below. Do check it out. हम लोग गए थे Appenzell में.
Appenzell is a place which is 80 kilometers east to Zurich. A mountainous village. Absolutely a place filled with serendipity. And most importantly, this particular product somehow signifies that it comes from this region. And I never had it before, neither did you, I think. So on that context, let's try it out.
Yeah. So it smells gingery.
Yeah, it does.
It smells like ginger.
So there must be some jam filler.
It has a filling inside. जैसा आप देख पा रहे होंगे अंदर एक filling है. So this is yours.
Thank you.
And
Yeah.
let Let me try.
It's like a biscuit cum bread. It's a ginger type bread. And the filling is amazing. Yeah, so it's strongly gingery.
For me,
I'll give it a 6.
बहुत ज़्यादा स्वीट है. अंदर की जो फिलिंग है ये बहुत ज़्यादा स्वीट है.
Yeah.
एंड जो ऊपर की जो कवरिंग जो है इट्स ओके. I'll give it a 5 on 10. It's a okay.
Okay.
Maybe it's a power booster or an energy booster just because ये बहुत ज़्यादा sweet है इसीलिए शायद. And it's handy also. But yeah, I'll give it a 5 on 10.
What we call it the VV Cola.
But ये VV कोला कैसे है? ये तो कोक जैसा दिखता है.
I think it's an alternate product with, you know,
And ये
no
बहुत
sugar. Sugar एकदम ही नहीं है और salt भी बहुत कम है. और चूंकि ये स्विट्जरलैंड है तो जर्मन मार्केट्स में कोक शायद उतना चलता नहीं है क्योंकि उन लोग लोकल प्रोडक्ट ज़्यादा पसंद करते हैं. और चूंकि ये फ्लेवर लोकली बिल्ड किया हुआ है तो उन्होंने एक ऑल्टरनेट नाम दिया है कॉल्ड वीवी कोला.
बट ये काफी पुराना भी है. As in,
It's since 1938
it's since it's very
and
old.
it's a Swiss product.
Yeah. So आप देख लें.
Yes. Okay.
ओके मैंने थोड़ा सा ही लिया है बिकॉज
Yeah.
यू नो और भी काफी चीजें हैं.
It's amazing, yeah. Wow.
टेस्ट लाइक कोला
Yeah.
बट इट्स गुड.
Yep.
9 on 10.
8 on 10.
ओके नेक्स्ट अप
Your turn.
अनदर ड्रिंक. रिवेला. वेल ये जो ड्रिंक है ये बहुत ज्यादा पॉपुलर है स्विट्जरलैंड में. मतलब ये आपको मोस्ट ऑफ द स्विस लोगों के हाथों में ये ड्रिंक दिखेगी. इट्स वन ऑफ द मोस्ट पॉपुलर ड्रिंक्स इन स्विट्जरलैंड. सो एंड व्हाट आई हैव गॉट इज आई हैव गॉट द ओरिजिनल फ्लेवर. इसमें काफी ग्रीन टी देन नो शुगर बहुत सारे डिफरेंट वेरिएंट्स आते हैं बट मैंने मेरे साथ ये ओरिजिनल फ्लेवर लाया है सो दैट यू नो आई वुड लाइक टू टेस्ट द ओरिजिनल
Sure.
फ्लेवर.
Let's go for it.
ओके
Okay, some for you.
that's all. It looks something like this. Appy fizz जैसा दिखता है ना?
Okay. Smells nice.
काफी डिफरेंट है फ्लेवर.
Yeah.
It's very different.
It's like ice cream soda.
Yeah,
That's-
exactly.
That's what it kind of.
It's like ice
reminds
cream
me.
soda. अगर किसी ने खाया है तो
यहाँ पे
या फिर
इंडिया में
पिया
हम
है
लोग
तो.
को मिलता है ये बिजुली ग्रिल का आइसक्रीम सोडा. तो छोटे छोटे 300 ml में आते थे. And
बिजली ग्रिल है.
बिजली ग्रिल या
I don't know.
सोडा आता था. Actually, I'm from Calcutta, so वहाँ पे
Even no, I'm from Bombay.
उस
From Calcutta.
restaurant, yeah, उस restaurant में it was quite popular. So when I was small, मैं हमेशा वो खाता था. And this somehow, let's say, resonates. At least the flavor part of it resonates with what I
Ice cream
had
soda.
in my young
But it tastes
young
good.
age. Yeah.
Good, yeah, so you could resemble it.
It was an instant click.
I liked it too.
Great. Now my turn.
Okay.
I'm gonna go for the world famous Appenzeller cheese.
Show it there to the camera.
Yeah. It's exactly the same place from where the product Biberly came from.
Yeah.
And Appenzeller cheese is very globally reputed. Slices, so we had a slice. Maybe I can divide.
No, I won't let you.
Okay.
So I've taken this much.
Let's try.
Very soft in my hand.
Nice. Creamy texture.
Very nice texture. Really, man. It's very nice.
No wonder the Swiss are the best in crafting cheese.
Swiss cheese has to be good.
Amazing, really.
Amazing.
Now,
10
these
on
are-
10.
Yeah, for me 9.5.
Why
There's
are you
still a bit
cutting
of-
that 0.5? For what?
Still room for a little bit improvement. Maybe, you know, if you have it in in let's say chunks that gives you a much more authentic feel than having cheese in
I'm in love
slices.
with it.
Yeah. So
Love it. Next up, which we are going to try is this Berliner Pfannkuchen. Doesn't it looks and sounds both amazing?
yeah, it does.
Are you excited to try?
Absolutely.
चलिए इसे अब खाते हैं. नाम से तो बहुत ज्यादा फैंसी है. देखते हैं टेस्ट में भी फैंसी है, बस नाम से ही फैंसी है. अब बताएं.
Okay, there's a speciality. So as you can see, maybe don't cut it now. Here's the outer cover, and on the top there's an outer coating of powdered sugar. But immediately when you take, let's say, a slice of it, you see the pasty jam coming out of it, which itself kind of makes, or let's say changes the entire game plan, because that additionally accentuates your taste buds. And that's why we feel that this sort of a snack type dessert is a perfect fit for an aperitif during the evenings. Maybe show them.
What are we doing to it?
So here you can see, if you break the bread, here is the jam, and that's
But
the,
we're
and
not
it's
supposed to
oozing.
eat it like that.
You're supposed to take a bite.
Yeah, so basically we were supposed to take a bite like more like a donut.
Can I have a tissue?
It's more like a donut, but जो उसमें twist है वो है अंदर का jam.
Yeah.
So
But actually, what I feel is the outside is a bit sweet, but then when you get a crunch of it inside, it's a bit tart. So it's two-in-one flavor, which kind of balances the overall taste.
yeah, but it was nice. I'll give it a 7 on 10.
Yes, for me, I would say a 7 on 10 as well.
Okay.
Bolo, kya hai?
Salami stick.
Yes, salami stick. So
ये हर यूरोप के most of the countries में इस तरीके की कुछ
it's
snacking
a pop-up
items
snack.
मिलती
That's
है.
what they say.
Yeah, it's a pop-up
It's a
snack.
kid snack,
Yeah.
let's say, because it's small, it's easy to use, you can carry it.
These are the Tastes like a sausage. Sausage की तरह
bursting
taste है.
with
पूरी
flavors.
तरीके से sausage की तरह flavor है. बहुत अच्छा है, tasty है. अगर कोई यूरोप में रहते हैं, I'm sure उन्हें इस प्रोडक्ट के बारे में पता हो, because all over यूरोप ये मिलती ही मिलती है.
Right.
Okay.
Your turn.
To try is this. This is called as focus, and focus.
Yeah.
So basically it's an active pineapple and mango vitamin water. Vitamin water क्या होता है?
It's filled with vitamins. I mean, like oral rehydration fluid.
मतलब electrol की तरह.
Kind of.
Ooh.
But it's more flavored. It's.
But it's like electrol.
And it tastes better, sure.
क्या क्या चीजें मिलती है यार. Let's try this electrol then. Here we have. It's good. हल्का सा sweet है.
Yeah,
But
it's like an electrolyte.
ये इलेक्ट्रॉल की तरह इसका फ्लेवर है, बट जो वेरिएशन है इसमें ये है कि ये मैंगो एंड पाइनएप्पल फ्लेवर की है.
And also the most B6, your C, your
So,
vitamin
काफी
D.
सारे लोडेड विटामिन्स इसके
Exactly.
अंदर है. तो एक
जो
बॉटल
आपको-
पीने के बाद
Yeah, you kind of, let's say, satisfy the requirement of the RDI,
वाओ,
the required daily intake. So in that way, it's quite a booster.
गुड जॉब स्विस पीपल.
The Blevita snacks.
क्या है ये ब्लेवेटा? इट्स लाइक अ बिस्किट.
Yeah.
Oh, it reads
It's actually
case.
like a-
It's a case as in
like a
cheese,
cracker.
cheese flavored. Small bickies.
Yes.
It looks like this. 1, 2, 3.
Amazing. Good snack.
Das Essen schmeckt gut.
Whatever she said.
No. That really tastes very good, yeah.
Yeah.
It tastes cheese and it's very crispy and it's yummy. It's a cracker.
That's a 8 out of 10.
No, I give it 9. It's very nice. I loved it.
Yeah.
Like for a savory snack, I think that's really something to munch over without any guilt, I suppose.
That's true.
The calorie seems quite less. Which I'm going to move on to is Torino.
Maybe you want to have it with some bread.
Yeah, correct. Well, ये जो टोरिनो है ये यूजुअली जब हम सुपरमार्केट्स में खरीदने जाते हैं ये ब्रेड के जो आइल के पास रखा होता है बिकॉज ये जो चॉकलेट है इसे स्विस लोग ब्रेड के साथ कंज्यूम करते हैं सो दिस टोरिनो शुड बी कंज्यूम्ड विद ब्रेड सो हेंस आई हैव some croissant with me and why don't you open this and let me open some croissant.
Sure.
This is our croissant.
Yeah.
And मैंने इसको थोड़े तो छोटे उसमें ब्रेक कर लिए. This for you.
Thank you.
And this is for me. And no, let's have.
How do you have it?
We have a bite. एक बाइट लेते हैं croissant का and उसके साथ टोरिनो का बाइट लेते हैं.
Let's try.
ठीक है? croissant तो मेरा फेवरेट है. Love it.
Wow.
Now let's take a bite of this.
This is 10 on 10.
This melts in your mouth.
Wow.
Ten on 10. Loved it. Hence, it is supposed to be had with bread.
Absolutely.
Because ये पता है कैसे काम करते हैं? चॉकलेट का हम स्प्रेड लगाते हैं न्यूटेला. It works like that. It tastes amazing, yeah. It's like a Nutella packaged
In a bar.
in a bar. Hence, एक साइड आप ब्रेड खाए, एक साइड ये खाए. Too good. Loved it. Torino. Thumbs up.
Choco drink. You want to try it first? Let me try.
Actually, अभी चॉकलेट खाया है, इसके बाद we are trying this. I can't
Yeah.
get any flavor.
But actually, the earlier one is so strong in chocolate.
Yeah, it's overpowering it still.
It's still overpowering it. Maybe we keep this later.
I can't get the flavor.
Yeah, it's because it's overshadowing.
Next up जो मेरे पास है और जो मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ वो है अंडे. कलरफुल अंडे. आप लोग सोच रहे हैं मैं अंडों को क्या स्नैक्स में लेकर आई हूँ. हाउ डिफरेंट इज दैट. अंडे तो अंडे होते हैं. वेल ये जो अंडे हैं ये कुछ इस तरीके के हैं. देख रहे हैं ये है हमारा नेक्स्ट फूड. और आप सोच रहे हो कि अंडे इतने कलरफुल कैसे है कि कोई चॉकलेट्स है क्या. बट अब एक फिनिशिंग देखिए. आई मीन जस्ट सी how perfect the egg is. The color is shining so much bright. Wow यार. But जो catch है इसका is सकते हैं because these are boiled अंडास. ब्लू उतर जाने के बाद अंडे का फंडा.
Exactly. Now try to cut it and then show me.
I'll show you. Ta-da! Half-boiled egg.
Yeah. Let's try it.
That's yours.
Thank you.
That's mine. How different it is. Don't eat the inside, cow yellow. Egg तो egg होता है. Well,
It's amazing.
since the Swiss people I think are very busy with their work and work culture, इसीलिए शायद वो इस तरीके से boiled eggs मिलते हैं ताकि उनका जो काम है वो और ज्यादा इजी हो जाए
Yeah.
and things become much more faster
Exactly.
in the kitchen.
Exactly.
So
So,
let's
our
on.
last item for today,
macchiato
and,
latte.
and this is the lactose-free version. So,
क्या होता है lactose free?
lactose free का मतलब है कि जो मिल्क में शुगर होता है वो है लैक्टोज, और जब हम ये सब प्रोडक्ट खरीदते हैं उसमें लैक्टोज ब्रेक डाउन हो जाता है, तो वो लैक्टोज की तरह नहीं रहता, बट एक्चुअली वो ग्लूकोज और गैलेक्टोज फॉर्म होता है। तो जिन लोगों को सबसे बेस्ट ऑप्शन है, and let's see how it tastes.
Okay, so let's have a latte macchiato.
Yeah.
Okay. Texture more like cold coffee.
Yeah.
Now, cheers.
Cheers.
Why is it sour?
No, not that good.
It was sour. ये बहुत
Yeah.
खट्टा खट्टा सा है.
Yeah, that's true.
I didn't like it.
But yeah, maybe a 4 out of 10 or something.
For me,
Yeah.
I didn't like it.
Overall, it was a fantastic experience. Probably pretty much the same as how we did our New Zealand version.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think in New Zealand we tried more snacks.
Yeah.
But here, of course, our selection was limited. But having said that, I think it just gives you a different feeling of a different corner of the world. और ये सब चीज़ नॉर्मली तो मिलता नहीं है डे टू डे मार्केट में या इंडिया में भी, except a few. So yeah, so this is something I'm going to cherish and I'm going to remember till the rest of my life.
Okay. So मुझे तो काफ़ी अच्छी लगी ट्राई करके स्विस स्नैक्स. काफ़ी जो असॉर्टमेंट्स वाली जो बिस्किट्स थी, देन द क्रैकर्स एंड एवरीथिंग, द ड्रिंक्स, दे वर माइंड ब्लोइंग, लव्ड इट. तो अगर आपने हमारी न्यूजीलैंड वाली जो वीडियो है इंडियंस ट्राइंग न्यूजीलैंड स्नैक्स, वो आपने अगर देखी नहीं है, अगेन देयर इज अ कार्ड गोइंग अप देयर, यू नीड टू क्लिक ऑन देयर एंड वॉच इट.
Sure.
So तब तक के लिए that's all from our end today. Thank you so much everybody for watching this video. If you liked it, what you got to do is you got to like this video, you got to subscribe to my channel and leave your comments below and tell us which snack do you want us to try next. All right then, see you guys later. Bye.
Bye.